Hey, so today, okay, boom, we got back to back, baby. We're gonna be using this stuff right here. Ground pepper, you know how it is, you know what it is, you know what it is. Slap a mama, you know? We're gonna be using it to sneeze. If I sneeze, I smash a can on my head. How about it? So that's what the stakes are. Let's get to it. So first, pour it in your hand, of course. Get a little helping like that. You don't want to waste too much for a stupid little experiment like this. Oh gosh, and then you gotta get yourself built up for it because it's gonna be powerful. And here we go. Oh, okay. I lost.